Right gang, welcome back. We're on day 2 of the Advent. So we've got our day 2 box and I'm going to show you what we've got in here. I have started to prep the few little extra bits that we need. So we're doing the Orange and Cardimon star biscuits. So what you need for this is butter, the zest of an orange, which I just had to go out into an absolute storm to get, and milk. So I've grated my zest in here and I've got my butter to add, and then everything else you get given. So you've got the biscuit mix in there, you get the star cutter as well in case you don't have one, and then we also get the icing sugar, which is to dust over the top. So we're literally going to mix this all together and then they're going to go in the oven. So they go in there for 15 minutes, but it says that if they feel too sticky then to chill them in the fridge. So I'm going to preheat the oven whilst I'm actually making everything, and then if they need to chill then that's not the end of the world. Oh no, it's chill for 15 minutes if they feel sticky, bake for 10 to 12. So yeah, we're going to get started on that and I'll see you in a minute. Right gang, they're out of the oven and they look pretty decent. I didn't put them in for as long as I did the ones yesterday, so I did 10 minutes instead of 12 because it was 10 to 12. And then I've dusted them with icing sugar. I think I've left them to cool enough time because obviously you want them to have a slight crust like a biscuit, you know. He's a bit thin, so we're gonna go for this one. Right, we're gonna do a taste test. They smell really orangey, so I'm really hoping the taste has come through. Mmm. They're actually quite nice. Emma, would you like to taste test?
Yeah, please.
Emma is taste testing. She's in the corner. They can't see you, but
That actually tastes really good. Quite nice texture. Bit of a crunch. Quite zesty, aren't they? You could probably go a little bit, if you like orange and citrus.
Go a bit more.
You could go a bit more, but you could also go slightly less if someone...
It did say half an orange, and I used easy peelers, which are smaller, so I didn't really know how much to zest because they were smaller.
I think they're a good amount.
Love that. Right, that's day 2 done. I'm gonna go give the rest to Jules and Papa to have a little taste. It makes 6, which is pretty good. It probably could make an extra one, but I didn't want more than 6, so I just threw away the remaining dough or whatever. But yeah, that is day 2. Can't remember what tomorrow is, so I'll see you when we do tomorrow's, and yeah, fingers crossed it's a good one.